Landlord tip of the week, timely right now with spring coming. We're doing some spring cleanups on your landscaping. Keep something in mind when you have a property, especially a single family home, and you want the tenant to take care of the outside. One of the best things about single family home rentals is tenants take care of landscape and they take care of grass. But if you have bushes all around the sides and you have a beautiful garden that you once had when you lived there and all that, the tenants aren't going to keep that stuff up. So keep that in mind. I tell a lot of people, keep it simple. I know for us, a lot of our rentals, we come in, we rip out all the shrubbery. That way it was really just a few small bushes that might have to get trimmed every few years. And the tenants would be responsible for grass and the place will still look good. When you have a lot of bushes, a lot of trees, you get a lot of growth. And then all of a sudden your house starts looking like Jumanji out there. So, set your, when you're going to do spring cleanups right now, get rid of all those overgrown bushes and then at the same time, the front of your house, make sure you can see the front of your house. So all that growth you get in the front that over a couple of decades, sometimes it's just a good fresh start to get rid of all that and it makes it more tenant friendly.